Hello everyone, and this video I will tell you the top 8 best bushcraft gear and gadgets that you can buy this year 2020
Hello,
based
I'm
on price
Patrick.
versus
I'd like to tell you a little
performance.
bit about Hults and the Kisa felling axe. Hults axe heads are hand-forged at the facility located just outside of Norrköping in southern Sweden, which has been in operation since 1697. Each head is struck around 70 times to create the right shape and density. The head is made of Swedish carbon steel and has a 1 inch or 2.5 centimeter hardened and tempered zone with a hardness of 55 Rockwell C, which creates a durable and sharp edge even after many sharpenings. The American hickory handle is hand-sanded and oiled with several coats of linseed to condition and protect the wood. The Hults Kisa is a medium-sized felling axe for medium to heavy work. The axe is compact enough to be easily carried, yet efficient at chopping, limbing, and other related work. The axe has a head weight of 2 pounds, or 900 grams, and a total weight of 1.85 pounds, or 1,300 grams, and a handle length of 26 inches, or 65 centimeters. The Kisa is named after a small village just south of the factory. Information about maintenance, rehandling, sharpening, and even about vintage Hultsbruk axes can be found at hultsbruk1697.se. Replacement handles and sheaths are also available. Thank you.
This pot was designed to work with the Solo Stove Lite, which nests perfectly inside for compact storage. It's lightweight at 7.6 ounces and is made from premium grade 304 stainless steel, making it more durable than traditional aluminum pots. The Pot 900 also features a rubber-coated locking lift tab, a pour spout for easy pouring, and double fold-out handles. The volume markings are in ounces and milliliters for easy measuring, and it holds 30 ounces or 900 milliliters. It also comes with a nylon stuff sack to keep your bag organized, and that's the Solo Stove Pot 900.
We're Solo Stove. We make lightweight, super efficient camping stoves that run on the natural resources around you, like twigs and sticks. In 2011, we created the original Solo Stove, a 9-ounce, super efficient backpacking stove that can boil a pot of water with literally a handful of sticks. We also created a number of accessories to go along with it. We have been blown away by all the positive response. People all around the world love the Solo Stove. The Solo Stove is a great stove for 1 or 2 people, but we had a lot of customers asking us for a larger stove. So, in 2013, we created the Solo Stove Titan, a larger Solo Stove that can be used for you and your friends. Still, our customers wanted an even larger Solo Stove. We heard your requests, and that's why we're creating our largest stove yet, the Solo Stove Campfire. The Campfire uses the same design and technology as the original patented Solo Stove, but it's bigger. Don't worry though, it's still super efficient and weighs only 2 pounds. It's made out of premium stainless steel, and our one-piece construction ensures durability and quality. The Campfire is a perfect stove that your entire group of friends or whole family can enjoy at the same time. We wanted to bring that campfire experience and excitement to all of you who just want a simple and easy campfire, whether it's at a campsite or in your backyard. It's designed with a double wall, which allows airflow through the bottom holes of the stove to channel air to the bottom of the fire and up between the walls of the stove. This preheated air feeding back into the fire through the smaller holes at the top of the stove causes a secondary burn. This allows the fire to burn more complete, which results in a more efficient fire with very little smoke. A more efficient burn also means you'll use much less wood compared to an open campfire.
The Nordic Pocket Saw is the most award-winning pocket-sized hand-powered chainsaw. It's tough, powerful, and packable. It's lightweight, and the handy case makes it easy to take along with you, making it a reliable companion for exciting outdoor activities.
When I'm out in the outdoors, no matter what I'm doing, I'm always bringing some essential tools. They are the knife, an axe, and then of course a saw. With the Nordic pocket saw, I have a very small and powerful piece that I easily can carry in my pockets or in my backpack and have easy access to whenever I need it.
The saw provides smooth and effective cutting in both directions. The strong and durable nylon handles ensure a safe and comfortable grip. With the Nordic pocket saw, you can easily cut hard-to-reach branches. You can also use the Nordic pocket saw for dragging logs. The chain is made from heat-treated high-carbon steel. Laboratory strength tests prove that the Nordic pocket saw cope with forces up to 5,940 Newton and 20 times the power of normal use. To summarize, Nordic pocket saw is practical, effective, and durable. Nordic pocket saw. It's just raw, compact power.
The Morakniv Kansbol is a knife suited for hunters and hikers. The spine is ground to a 90-degree sharp angle, making it compatible with a fire starter. The 2.5mm thick blade is made of Swedish stainless steel and has a profile grind for increased precision. Kansbol brings you the best from two worlds. It has the flexibility of a lightweight knife and the strength of a more robust model.
Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Liong Mah designed Mah-Chete. A great little piece designed as a survival machete, but also it's going to be great for yard work, chopping, camping, outdoors activities. The overall length on this blade is 17.4 inches. The blade length is 12 inches. And this is not a small knife. The weight on this one is 1 pound, 3.2 ounces. One of the things I love on this blade, you can see it's got a hammer finish on there. Just gives it kind of a prehistoric, gritty look and feel. Just really solid. The handle is walnut. You can see it is riveted on there. You got a couple different spots where you can attach a lanyard hole to make sure this knife does stay in your hand. And one of the things I love about it is it's comfortable in hand. Liong Mah really knows how to design for function as well as comfort. So you can see it in my hand. I have about medium-sized hands. You can see there's about that much extra space there in the end of the handle. So if you do have big meat hook hands, you've got a lot of real estate in that handle to really get a good grip on it. But where my hands aren't huge, it still feels good and useful in my hand. So a lot of different options there. As well in the butt of the blade here, there's just that little hook, that little flourish to make sure that the machete stays in your hand when you're swinging it. Now if you look at the shape of this machete, it's kind of an upswept blade, and that's going to give you a little bit more leverage when you're chopping and hacking with it. It's going to work really well on all sorts of tasks out in the woods. It comes with a reinforced nylon sheath, and let me show you that here. Just slide the machete right in there with a snap closure, just like that. Give you a clearer view of that enclosure. It is a, like I said, reinforced nylon sheath, and on the inside you've got a polypropylene liner. So it is a harder material, just not nylon all the way through. So it's going to be lightweight, 5 ounces on this, and it's going to make your machete easy to carry. A couple other features on it. Comes with a little bit of paracord, so if you do want to strap it to your legs, strap it to your gear, you've got a lot of options there. You can carry it in this position on your belt. Again, it's called the Mah-Chete, designed by Liong Mah, and he designed it in Florida. Thanks for watching. Thanks for carrying CRKT.
Because her dad only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have.
Preparation and planning lends itself toward success. That's why military personnel, survivalists, preppers, and adventurers everywhere understand the value of being ready for anything. And the Titan Survivor Cord bracelet is just one way we've got your back. 11 feet of Titan's patented mil-spec Survivor Cord are woven in a trilobite weave pattern that has style and a huge degree of function. After unwinding and cut open, the cord contains multiple strands of life-saving material. These include a 25-pound monofilament fishing line for emergency food shortages, a multi-purpose conductive wire that's perfect for snares, and a wax-impregnated jute fiber that's been proven to ignite easily and start your fire even in the worst downpour. Quickly and easily disassembled in an emergency situation, this innovative survival bracelet, exclusively from Titan Survival, is the ultimate accessory for your adventures.
Our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten.
Today I want to tell you about the ChowPal. It's the new mealtime multi-tool by Outdoor Edge. The unique thing about the ChowPal, it's all stainless steel construction and it incorporates a razor sharp stainless steel knife blade. There's a lot of eating utensils out there, they really don't come with an effective knife. So here you have a nice razor sharp knife, effective cutting tool. The blade has a secure lock. I'm going to go ahead and lock the blade. Now it's all put together. What I'm going to do, pull it apart. Now I have a fully functional knife and fork and I'm ready to eat. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut my sausage, I'm going to close the knife. At the end of the knife you have a spoon. On the fork I have a can opener. Over here is a bottle opener. There's a graduated wrench. On the end of the knife there's a flathead screwdriver. And now to put it all together, what I'm going to do is take the fork, put it in the center slot, line up the hub here and click. It's all put together. It comes with a nice nylon bag, keep the ChowPal nice and clean with a drawstring. And there it is, the ChowPal by Outdoor Edge.
People don't stay the same.